It's really hard to prove that you will be committed to a client or a job if meron kang full-time na work. However, kaya nga tayo nag-freelancer eh. Kasi we want to be able to work in our own terms. Freelancing is a business, guys. So, hindi palaging yung client ang tama. You also have to check if sila ba ay fit sa inyo or sa schedule ninyo. So, yung question ni Yo dito, how to show commitment po if you have a current full-time job and gusto mo lang mag-apply for part-time. What you can do is, number one, you can check for positions na output-based, fixed yung income. So, hindi ka kailangan mag-commit ng 8 hours per day din dun sa work. Or number two, pwede ka maghanap ng mga part-time positions sa mga websites kagaya ng halimbawa ay Upwork, which I highly recommend lalo na kung bago ka pa lang. Kasi sa Upwork, meron mga 2 to 3 hours lang per day, or yung iba naman 8 hours lang per week, 8 to 10 hours, ganyan. Depende talaga sa need ng client. If you guys are not yet familiar kung paano nga ba mag-search sa Upwork kung ng part-time job, i-comment nyo na lang dito para maituro ko sa inyo pag naka-on na yung computer ko. But hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!